Hello YouTube, this is Miss O. Today I'm going to talk about the argument over 3778. So the latest argument against section 3778 is that it must be repealed in order to preserve Singapore's secular common space. Let all the implications of the argument sink in for a minute. Obviously, it's a secular law enacted by a secular government, reviewed, debated and updated by a secular Parliament. It's a law that both safeguards public health and democratically reflects the values of majority of Singaporeans. So by what definition of secular is this law not secular? Because religious communities agree with it? So if religious people approve of a law, that invalidates it? That suddenly turns a government into a theocracy? Really? This is ludicrous, and it reveals the extent to which the LGBT community is mentally disconnected from the realities of the broader society. It just shows how narrow-minded and self-absorbed they are as a community. I've also seen argument basically saying that it is illegitimate for Parliament to consider public opinion when passing a legislation. Of course, what they mean is Parliament should not consider any segment of public opinion except LGBT opinion. It's funny they refer to what other countries have done on this issue and encourage our government to follow their example. So Singapore should follow the opinion of LGBT community and also the opinion of people outside of Singapore, but ignore the opinions of the majority of Singaporean citizens. And this is progressive? Look, the gay community is by and large not practicing safe sex. Members of their own community admit that 80 to 90% of the time they do not use condoms. There are people within the LGBT community who are actively and deliberately spreading the HIV virus. And many others who are simply reckless about it. New HIV infection among gay men in Singapore are higher than ever before. They apparently believe that having HIV should not be a restriction on their sexual activity. The fact of the matter is, this lifestyle poses a serious public health risk. Do religious communities care about public health? Of course they do. Does that make concern for public health a form of religious bias? Of course not. This is Miss O. Until next time.